Welcome back, and now we're going to start workout 2. Let's start with question number 1. It says, fill in the missing number. So there is a number line. In the number line, the numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, and something is missing, and 10. So to solve what is missing, we're going to see what is the difference between the 0 and the 2 here. So between the 0 and 2, the difference is 2. And then we're going to see what the difference is between 2 and 4. 2 plus 2 is 4, which means the difference is 2 here. And between 4 and 6, 4, 5, 6. It's also 2. And then we know all of them are 2, so 6 plus 2 is 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. So which means 8 comes here. Okay, now let's move on to question number 2. It says, write plus or take away in each box. So 3 something 4 equals 7. So you can't do 3 take away 4 because that is impossible because it'll go even down than 0. So let's try 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So here the answer is also 7. So we plus here. We plus here. And in the second one, it says 10 something 8 is equal to 2. First, let's see what 10 plus 8 is. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. But here we need the answer 2, not 18. So now let's try 10 take away 8. 10 take away 8 is equal to 2. So that's answer is correct. So we'll take away it. Now let's go to the number 3 equation, which is 4 is equal to 5 something 1. So that is the same but written in the opposite way. So this is where we're going to plus or take away, and this is the answer. So let's try first 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, but we need the answer to be 4. So we'll try take away. 5 take away 1 is equal to 4. So the answer is correct. So we need to take away. And the last one. Okay, now let's move on to the last calculation. It is 9 equals to 4 something 5. So that's the same but written in the opposite way. So 4, let's try we can't do take away because that's impossible. So we'll try doing plus. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Is equal to 9. So that's correct. So we're going to do plus here. Okay, now let's move on to question number 3. It says, match each shape to the right description. So let's read this first description. One hole is shaded. And second one half is shaded. And last one 1/4 is shaded. So a hole is when all the parts are shaded. So in which square are all the parts shaded? Yeah, you're right. It's this one. So this one will match to this one. And when half of this is when in the hole, half of it is shaded. So which one is half only shaded? Yes, it's this one. So this will match here. And 1/4 is shaded. 1/4 is like the half of the half. Like this is the half. Then we do the half of the half, which is one of this. So yeah, you're right. It's this one. So that will match into there. Okay, now let's move on to question number 4. It says, circle the longest time. So here is 10 hours, 15 hours, and 1 hour. So we're going to see which one is bigger numbers. So you can see the 15 is the biggest out of all of these because the 1 is the smallest and 10 is bigger than the 1 but smaller than 15. So it says circle it. So I'll circle it that 15 hours is the longest. Okay, now let's start page number 5. And let's start with question number 5. It says, look at the stack of shapes. These are the stack of shapes here. It says, name the shape at the top. At the top is this shape. So can you guess what this shape is called? Yes, you're right. This shape is called a triangle. So now let's write triangle here. Triangle. Triangle. Okay. Now it says name the shape at the bottom. The bottom shape is this shape. And can you guess what this shape is now? Yes, this is a rectangle. So now let's write rectangle here. Rectangle. Now let's go to question number 6. It says work out. So you have to work out these things. So it says 14 add 6 equals. So let's write it as maths. Let's write it as maths. So you write 14 plus 6 equals. So let's do column addition. So the bigger number goes up like this. 14 is the bigger number, so it'll go up. And 6 is the smaller number, so it'll go down. So now let's plus it. If we're plussing it, we need a plus sign here. So now let's do 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. But now we can't write 10 here. So we will have to regroup it. So because 10 is from the tens column, so we will write 1 right up here. And the 1 is the 0, so we will write 0 here. Then, because there's nothing here, that represents 0. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. But then there's a remainder here. So do 1 plus 1, which is 2. So we'll write 2 here. So the answer is 20. So let's write 20 here. And 14 add 6 equals to 20 as well. Okay. Now let's go to the second thing. It says 19 subtract 3 equals. So we write it like this. 19 subtract 3 equals. Okay, so let's do the same method. So the bigger number is 19, so it goes up here, and the smaller number is 3, so it goes down. And because we're takeaway, we need a takeaway sign here. So 9 take away 3 is 6, so we write 6 here. And then because there's nothing here, so that's a 0, and then 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 take away 0 is 1. So the answer is 16. So we'll write 16 here. And that's the same as this 19 subtract 3 equals. So we'll also write 16 here. Okay, now let's go to question number 7. It says, share 15 pencils equally between 5 children. So there's a picture here to help you with this. So let's see how much groups we can get. To how much pencil there will be in one group if we have 5 groups. So let's try to start with a group of 3. So that's 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group, and 5 group. So there are 5 groups, and in each group there are 3. So that means each child gets 3 pencils. Okay, now let's go to question number 8. It says, look at this pattern of numbers. It says the pattern is, so first place it goes 100, then second place it goes 99, then 98, then 97, and we have to fill in this. It says, what is the 7th number in the pattern? So the 7th number is here. So to find out the 7th number, we need to find out what the 5th and 6th number is too. So they're counting down 100 take away 1 is 99. Here, the 99 take away 1 is 98. So keep on taking away 1. So which means 97 take away 1 is 96. The 96th take away 1 is 95. And 95 take away 1 is 94. And we've reached to the 7th place. So we write here 94 because that's what came in the 7th place.